Hello guys and welcome. In this video we're going to see how to install Crystal Report for Visual Studio 2017. So you search for Crystal Report for Visual Studio 17. Now here you will get a link, sap.com community topics. Click on this link. So here on this page you will get a link to download Crystal Report for Studio. So click on the link. So on this page you can download the Crystal Report for different versions of Visual Studio like 2010, 12, 13, 15 and 17. You need to enter on all these details to download it from this site. After the registration, click on the button to download the package. So we have downloaded this package here. Now first you close the studio before you install Crystal Reports. Now you can run the setup as admin. Now this is very straightforward setup. Just click on continue. After completion of the setup, it will download Crystal Report runtime engine for the studio. It will get downloaded and it can be integrated with Studio. Now here Crystal Report installer runtime will be installed. So let this complete. Now after completion of the setup, now you create a new website to check whether Crystal Report option is available or not. So in the toolbox you will find a new tab is added, reporting, under which you will get option for Crystal Reports like Crystal Report Viewer, Crystal Report Source. Now here you can try adding a new item to the site. Here in the template you will find a Crystal Report option is added. So that's all. So in this way you can download Crystal Report for Visual Studio, and in the next video we'll see how to create a simple Crystal Report using Visual Studio 17.